Most people would call this a dream city, and to some extent, I would have to agree. Just think about it. The sun, the ocean, the endless views. What more could you really want? But I would be lying if I said that something doesn't feel off. And it's not that I'm unhappy. It just doesn't feel like home anymore. Why is it so hard to admit that? Especially when everyone wants to be here. But lately I've been thinking, you can absolutely love a city and still want to leave. You don't have to stay just because most people would trade places with you. Outgrowing a city you've called home for most of your life is hard. But when is change ever easy? Staying somewhere just because it looks good isn't the same as staying because it feels right. I'm learning to normalize choosing peace over perception, over aesthetics, and over expectations. My life here has been incredible, and even if I'm not here forever, I'll always cherish this beautiful city until the day I choose to leave.